What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a 2-in-1 shower head. All right, now this is not like the Delta system that I have in the master bath. I put a whole system into the master bath. This is not like the Moan system I have. This is just the shower head. All right, so as y'all know, the Moan system was had the actual hardware for the valve. All right, so this has no valve, so this should be an easy DIY, especially if you're upgrading or upgrading whatever you're doing in your bathroom. This will be a good DIY. All right, very easy DIY. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, you guys, first thing I love to see is foam. That means it's well protected, and of course made in China, you guys. Says it right there, made in China. If you have an issue with that, then get rid of everything in your house, because more than likely it's made in China. Oh, just kidding. Gotta love it. All right, so we have the instructions here, and it's simple, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. That is it. So if you are into DIY, then go ahead and get into that. I love that it has foam everywhere. I love it. Well packaged. Alrighty. All right, on the Amazon site it says 7.3 inches. All right, so they have the thread cover right here. We have the other head right here. Ooh, and I like this. I like that they actually branding themselves right there. Ooh, I like the feel of this. They said this is ABS material. You guys, there's no scratches. Everything feels good. This is a magnetic head, so let's check it out. Yep. Goes on nice and easy. Even if you go sideways, but it definitely go easy the proper way. That is basically it. You do not get the head part, not the head part, but the elbow. So whatever color elbow you have, that's the color that you will be using. So if I'm putting this in my hall bathroom, the one that I'm renovating, this is silver. So I might spray paint it black later. Who knows? You know, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But for right now, I just want to go ahead and review this shower head, because I want to get this out to y'all so y'all can see how this thing works. So there go your adjustments right here. It says it has 10 spray outs. We will check them all out. So this is adjustable, okay? So if you put your shower head on, you can adjust it, but that's how much you can adjust right there. All right, you're gonna hit the top of the shower head. So you do get 2 washers with this. Sorry, I meant to tell y'all that, but I was too excited. Put the washer inside. If y'all dealt with water hose outside, then y'all know how this works, okay? This is your washer. You definitely need it. If you do not have these washers, you are going to be in trouble. You will get leaks. This is so easy. Now, what you should do is put tape on this. I know somebody in the comments is going to be like, you're not doing it right. I love the comment section, you guys. Y'all are funny. But I do respect the comment section, because there are some comments out there that will actually teach me a better way to do something, opposed to just bashing somebody. You can come in my comment section and teach me. I do not have an ego, you guys. So if you come to my channel and you come in my comment section and you say, hey, you know, you could do this better like this, then I will take your advice and I will run with it. This is smooth, okay? So just remember, when you're trying to tighten, just be mindful of the tool that you use when you tighten this up. And you may not need a tool, or the tool that you use when you loosen it. All right, so there we go. It's on there. All right, if we have any leaks, I will try to get a tool. What I'll use is I'll use pliers, but I'll put like a paper towel or something on it so I don't scratch it. let's go head to the shower and go ahead and check out and see how this thing works. This is, once again, probably one of the easiest updates you can do. Let's go ahead. Oh wow, that's tight. All right, so once again, this is easy update. This thing is old, you guys. This silver part right here, this little extension, I will paint it black later. I'm just going to, for now, put this faucet up here to show you a review. Now, as you can see, nobody put no tape on or nothing. You don't really necessarily need tape, but it gives you a better seal. All right, tape around there. All right, so remember to take this piece off like that, and then we're gonna hook it up. Once it fills the thread, there we go. I know it looks awkward with that being silver, right? But it'll be okay. I'll paint it later. Now, I think that's tight enough. I'm gonna leave it like that. If I need to tighten it, I'll give it another turn. So that's like that. And I believe this middle part stays just like that, you guys. So you can turn this right, you can turn it left, you can go up and then down. All right, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave it like that. Alrighty, now we're gonna hook the shower, not the shower head, but the shower handle. Gonna hook that up. All right, and once again, y'all saw what I did with my pliers. You know this is matte black, so usually it's a coating. So if you use pliers to like tighten it, make sure you get like a washcloth or like some type of, you know, skinny cloth or something, so that way you don't scratch it up when you tighten it. And that's it, and that's strong, you guys. Y'all see that? All right, so to take it off, they should pull down. If you pull up, it goes up. You pull down, it goes down. But to take it off, you should pull it out. All right, so it do look like I have to tighten up back here a little bit more. See a little bit of drip, but not too much. It's coming out pretty nice, you guys. I like that. Oh, the drip went away. All right, so let's go ahead and test this thing out. And I'm getting wet on the process. All right. Let's see what happens when I pull it down. All right, when you pull it down, it comes to its individual sprayer. And you can change the sprayers individually. Oh, you can turn it all the way to pause. So you do have a pause mode on it. Put shampoo and conditioner in your hair. Oh, they have a mist mode. Nice. Nice. All right, so this is pretty nice, you guys. All right, so let's put this thing back on and see what happens. All right, so when you put the mechanism back on, all the water comes on. That's not bad. I do want to tighten the back up there a little bit more. That's the end of the review of this shower head. Yes, I may be painting that part black right there, so everything will match sooner or later. But yeah, the shower head works very nice, you guys. I actually like this shower head, and I know that everybody in the house will love this shower head. So yeah, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.